At first, it felt harmless. Just a glance at the phone, just a notification, just a small reminder that she was seen. She didn't need it, but she liked it. Every like felt like confirmation. Every message felt like reassurance. Every compliment felt like proof, not of beauty, but of existence. Modern female psychology isn't shaped only by desire anymore. It's shaped by feedback. She posted a photo. Nothing dramatic, nothing revealing. Still, the response arrived, quickly. And something subtle happened inside her brain. Validation created relief. Relief created repetition. Soon, silence felt louder than rejection. She began checking more often, not because she was insecure, but because her nervous system learned a pattern. Attention in, dopamine out. Validation became emotional currency. And like any currency, once you depend on it, you start measuring your worth through it. She didn't ask herself if she felt attractive. She waited to be told. From a psychological perspective, this is conditioning. The brain doesn't distinguish between affection and approval. It just registers reward. Over time, her internal compass weakened. Confidence stopped coming from within. It came from response, and response is never stable. Some days, attention flooded in. She felt magnetic, desired, alive. Other days, it slowed, and she felt strangely empty. Nothing had changed about her, but everything had changed inside her. This is the danger of constant validation. It externalizes self-worth. She noticed something else too. Real connection started feeling slower, messier, less efficient. Why invest emotionally when validation required no vulnerability, no risk, no waiting? Desire began to flatten, not disappear, but dilute. She still wanted attention, but intimacy felt demanding. Female desire needs emotional presence, but validation trains emotional distance. When admiration comes easily, connection starts feeling optional. She wasn't shallow, she was overstimulated. Psychologically, the brain adapts. High-frequency validation raises the baseline. What once felt exciting now feels normal, and normal doesn't move desire. She began comparing, not consciously, but instinctively. Why settle into one emotional rhythm when many were available? The paradox is cruel. Validation promised confidence, but it produced dependency. The more she was affirmed externally, the quieter her inner voice became. Eventually, something broke. Not dramatically, silently. She felt surrounded and alone. Rule card. Validation can support confidence, but when it replaces self-trust, desire loses its anchor. The lesson isn't to reject attention, it's to understand its cost, because attraction grows when validation is a bonus, not a requirement. Real desire begins when you no longer need a mirror to know who you are.